limit extends to pi by 4. 4 root 2 minus of cos x plus sin x whole power 5 upon 1 minus sin 2x. So 4 root 2 we can write it as root 2 whole power 5 minus cos x plus sin x. So we can write this as cos x plus sin x whole square whole to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 1 minus sin 2x, that is limit extends to pi by 4. Root 2 whole power 5 we can write 2 to the power of 5 by 2 minus, because root 2 is 2 power 1 by 2, minus cos x plus sin x whole square can be taken as cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 cos x sin x whole to the power 5 by 2 divided by 1 minus sin 2x. So which can be written as limit extends to pi by 4, 2 to the power 5 by 2 minus cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 cos x sin x is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2x. So we can add 1 plus 2 sin 2x whole to the power 5 by 2 divided by, so here we can write it as 1, we can add 2 minus of 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus sin 2x we can write, or we can write this as limit extends to pi by 4. So 2 to the power 5 by 2 minus of 1 plus sin 2x whole to the power 5 by 2 divided by, so 2 if I take minus common, so we can write 1 plus sin 2x. And also we can make a note here, as x tends to pi by 4, 2x tends to pi by 2, so sin 2x tends to 0, sorry, sin pi by 2 is 1, so sin 2x tends to 1, so 1 plus sin 2x tends to 1 plus sin 2x tends to 2, and we know the formula as limit extends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n upon x minus a is equal to n into a to the power of n minus 1. So here as x tends to pi by 4, so 1 plus sin 2x tends to 2, so we can use this concept here, limit x tends to pi by 4, so we can write here as 1 plus sin 2x whole to the power of 5 by 2 minus 2 to the power of 5 by 2, like a is equal to 2, and divided by 1 plus sin 2x minus 2. So we can write here n into, that is 5 by 2 into a to the power of, that is 2 to the power of n minus 1, that is 5 by 2 minus 1. So we can write 5 by 2 into 2 to the power of 3 by 2, or we can write this as 5 by 2 into 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2. So we can write this as 5, 2 power 1 by 2 is root 2. So 5 root 2 is the answer. So you can go with an option A.